Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken using two-factor authentication, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Kraken login page by entering the URL. Once the page loads, locate the login section. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. Do not click login yet. Check if you have two-factor authentication enabled. If you do, take your smartphone or authentication device. Open your two-factor authentication app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. In the app, find the entry for your Kraken account. The app will generate a time-sensitive 6-digit code. Quickly return to the Kraken login page. Now click on the Login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the 6-digit code. Input the code from your authentication app into the field. After entering the code, click Submit. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Kraken account. In case of an incorrect code, recheck the digits in your two-factor authentication app. You may also need to ensure the time settings on your device are accurate. Once logged in, remember to secure your account as needed. If you experience issues, consider resetting your two-factor authentication settings. Always keep a backup of your codes in a safe place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.